So yes, I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but I did want to pick up the Haus Laboratories makeup, aka Lady Gaga's makeup brand. Now this is specific to Amazon or houselaboratories.com. For this, I did just pick up 3 items. I only ended up actually using 2 for this look, as you can see. But to start off, I came in with my transition shade, which for me specifically is $7 from Makeup Geek. You're just going to use whatever you would consider a transition shade. And I'm actually going to be putting this over Zero Primer. Now switching over to the shade I'm actually going to do mostly over my lid. It's going to be 2 different shades put together. Both of them are pretty warm. As I have put the transition shade down first, it definitely is going to obviously help out because that's what a transition shade does, but I am using 2 different brushes. One is a very fluffy blending brush, and the other is going to be a more squared off brush, so I can kind of get that almost cat eye shape without actually having to do eyeliner. And just as I do, I'm going to be continuing this under my lash line to add the symmetry. Continuing it back in with Sandal to further blend that out better. Now onto the shadow from Haus Laboratories. They are called a liquid shimmer powder rather than like a liquid eyeshadow, although I will definitely post them in the description box down below, but this one is called Glam Attack. I'm also coming in with a darker brown on an angled eyeliner brush. You can definitely use an actual eyeliner with this, but I chose a shadow because it's easier to blend out. Then continuing this below my lower lash line. Also going in with a mascara for my top and bottom lashes. I'm adding a liner onto the outer corner of my lash line, mostly honestly because it kind of made me feel a little fancy. And then the lip color that I used is Le Riot, which is a lip gloss. And I'm putting that over my lips, over top of Cherry Skies, I believe, from NYX Cosmetics. As you may be able to tell, this gloss is entirely, almost way too sticky, I would say. And up next, would this even be a Halloween tutorial if it didn't include a lot of blood? I'm also continuing the fake blood with a stippling sponge and or a mascara wand to add kind of like a textured effect.